Hey guys, welcome to today's masterclass. My name's Nathan Short, if you've never danced with me before, and today I'm coming at you from my place here in Sydney, Australia. Today's theme is Festival Banger. It went so well the first time I thought we may as well do it again. Plus someone did request a hardstyle routine, so just watch how fast this one gets towards the end with its fancy jump style footwork. Here we go.
Over 700 students now use my Colourform program to learn how to dance the smart way. Support this channel and try it for yourself. Follow the link in the description below or head to movewithcolour.com to learn more.
Do it. Step touch, get the beat in our body. Relax. It's a nightclub dance floor, but like no one's here yet. First move, 2 kicks on the right leg. You're going to connect it to that bass line. You'll see what's going on. Ready? 5, 6. Bow, bow. Just kick the right leg. Kick your right. Try and make it chunky, so it's kind of like really bouncy, like you're trying to dig your heel into the dirt. Boom, boom, pick up that knee. Boom, boom, pick it up. Boom, boom, left. Boom, boom, left. Can you switch onto your left leg? Right, right, left. Say it to yourself. Right, right, left. Try and get that knee up on the first one. Adding on, check this out. Kick, 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 tap behind. Right, right, left, tap behind. So it looks like this. Right, right, left, tap behind. Kick, 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 tap. Now try it off the left leg. So just warm this up with me. Just your left leg now. Okay, do the full combo off the left leg. Kick, 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 tap. Left leg, because we're gonna need both legs. Come with me, check this out. Right, right, left. Switch. Left, left, right. Right leg. Right, right, left. You can tell hard styles on this way, can't you? Alright, so now the same thing, but you're going to start to turn your body and pivot from wall to wall. So I'm coming with you. I pivot around to the right wall and around to the left leg. Let's do it! Finish hard on the clap. Bounce. And it can look a little different every time. Doesn't have to be the same every time. Watch my direction. Forward, side, switch. Watch the kick. Forward, side, switch. This is actually quite a tricky move, but once you've got it, your brain will just be able to bust out a bunch of times, I promise. Okay? Chill. Knee. Kick. Knee. Kick. Lots of jumping in this, lots of leg work. Knee up, kick down. Knee up, kick down. Double time. Yeah. Now the rhythm comes from your chest. See my chest? See what it's doing? My upper body's kind of pumping like this. Face the left wall, left wall. Keep the arms swinging, pump, 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 pump. Getting ready for that hardstyle feel. All right, let's try it from the top, shall we? I'll come with you. Double. Double. Followed by the knee kickback. So combo 1, combo 2. Shall we try it? Don't remember this yet. Right leg. Right knee. All right, now to finish it off, we're actually going to do one more of the kick, 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 tap down to come out of the last move. Check it. Kick. Kick. Now knee pop. One last kick with her. So you got 2 of that original move, 1 of the new combo, and then 1 more to bring you back. Try it again. Bounce it. Right knee comes up. Stay to the wall, stay to the wall. Boom, boom, da. Okay, let's move away from the most complicated stuff. Shuffle time, baby. Hit it. Right toe. Pump it. So just pump that right leg. Again, it's in your upper body as much as it is in your leg. Pump, 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 pump. Same deal, give me 4. Here we go. Check it with the cross. Pump it, bring the feet together. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, step and tap, 4, 3. If you can, bring the step tap to me. Check this out, cross in front, 4, 3, 2, cross in front. Yeah? That's your next combo. What are the arms doing? Let's try this. Left hand up, right hand up. Boom, 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 boom. Get that tempo, let it come from the chest. That you're looking for. Same thing, add it onto your shuffle combo. Ready? Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, cross. There it is. Let's try it again. Hit it! Now, if you want to get your real shuffle on, you can actually move that first move across the floor, but you've got a lot of tempos you're working with. This needs to stay to that slow beat. Da 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 da, boom da da, boom boom da da. Can we go from the top? Yes, we can. Right leg, 5, 6, 7. Left. Pick the right knee up, pick the left knee, and one more of those kicks. What's the new move? Ready. Try it again. Energy on. Right. Left. See, I messed that one up. But I saved it. And shuffle. It's just as hard for me, don't worry. All right, check this out. Last move. Pop the right toe, pop the left. Right hand in front, left hand in front. It doesn't really matter which toe you pop, just pop, drop the weight, pop, pop. You're gonna feel a speed shift start to come on. Are you ready? Faster. Chill before you make yourself dizzy. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make it 3, just 3 instead. Who knows this song? 1, 2, 3, freeze. 1, 2, 3, freeze. 1, 2, 3, freeze. Okay, watch what happens to the fourth one. Goes over my head. Right, left, right, sweep. But without the pause. Right, left, right, sweep. Your last move, the whole routine. It's pretty dramatic. Over, where do you go? Turn. Now, depending how grippy your floor is, you might modify that turn to be whatever you want to be. Just get around in the circle, yeah? From the top. Now, notice how much faster this is getting. Yeah, it's not easy. Shuffle. And boom, 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 bah. There it is. Okay, so you've got a spin in there as well. Lots to get through. Hard style time, baby. It's such a classic. Right leg. Boom, da-da, boom, boom. Shuffle. And what? Little tectonic. Go. A little hard at first, but I promise it gets easier. All right, chill. Take a breath. You got a little more room on the dance floor now. Lots going on. This time, I want you to hit it hard like a massive fitness interval. Use all of your body. Don't just keep it in the legs. Try and throw yourself around mad. I don't know if you've ever seen a little hard style in full flight. It is big, it is intense, it is passionate. So we're gonna try and channel that right now. You ready? How do we get into hard style mode? I don't know what this is, but we just gotta box it out and we're just kind of pumping the knees. When you're trying to assert your masculinity on the dance floor because you don't know how else to dance. Step touch. All right, guys, here it comes. Your last interval. All of your energy. I'm ready. We ready. Right leg. Let your body rock. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. Go! We're almost there. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. Go! One more in ya. Let's go! Woo! Come on, come on, come on. Big to the end, big to the end. Awesome work, guys.
Thanks for joining me for another masterclass. Don't forget to check out the Colourform Learn to Dance series if you'd like to start somewhere a little easier. I'll see you next time.